Do you want to eat healthy but don't want complicated meals or strict rules? You're not alone. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 simple, nourishing meals that are easy to make, satisfying, and realistic for everyday life. These meals focus on balance, protein, fiber, and healthy fats without being extreme. Let's get started. Fork Meal 1: Grilled salmon with quinoa and asparagus. The first meal is grilled salmon with quinoa and asparagus. This is a classic, simple combination that feels elegant but is very easy to prepare. Salmon is a great source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. Quinoa adds fiber and minerals and helps keep you full longer, while asparagus brings vitamins and supports digestion. This meal is balanced, nourishing, and perfect for lunch or dinner, especially when you want something satisfying without feeling heavy. Meal 2: Chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. Meal number 2 is a chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. This is a colorful, quick meal that's great for busy days. Lean chicken provides protein to keep you full, while vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots add fiber, antioxidants, and important vitamins. Brown rice offers steady energy and makes this meal more filling. You can customize this easily with different vegetables or seasonings, making it a practical and flexible everyday option. Green salad. Meal 3: Mediterranean chickpea. Meal number 3 is a Mediterranean chickpea salad bowl. This is a refreshing option that works well as a light lunch or dinner. Chickpeas provide plant-based protein and fiber, helping you stay satisfied for hours. Fresh vegetables like cucumber and tomatoes add hydration and nutrients, while olive oil brings healthy fats that support heart health. This meal follows a Mediterranean-style pattern, which is known for supporting long-term health and balance. Roasted sweet potato. Meal 4: Stuffed sweet potatoes with black beans and avocado. Meal number 4 is stuffed sweet potatoes with black beans and avocado. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and vitamin A, and provide steady energy. Black beans add plant protein and help with digestion, while avocado adds healthy fats that make the meal more satisfying. This is a comforting, nutrient-dense meal that works especially well for plant-based days. It's filling, naturally gluten-free, and easy to adjust based on what you have at home. Cucumber. Meal 5: Turkey zucchini boats. Meal number 5 is turkey zucchini boats. Zucchini is low in calories but high in volume, which helps with portion control. Lean ground turkey provides protein without excess fat, and tomato sauce adds flavor and antioxidants. This meal is lighter but still very filling and works well when you want something comforting without being heavy. It's also a great way to include more vegetables in your. All of these meals are simple, flexible, and meant for real life. You don't need perfection, just balanced choices that work for your routine. If you enjoyed this video, check out the healthy meals for